Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the JOSTZHXIN Modern Rolling Stool, a versatile seating solution that's making waves in various settings, from kitchens to salons, offices to bars. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk comfort. The Salon Stool boasts a modern turbo round cushioned seat, generously filled with thickened sponge and wrapped in soft, breathable leather. Say goodbye to uncomfortable seating experiences. This stool is all about providing a plush and supportive sit. But comfort isn't the only highlight here. With its adjustable height feature, ranging from 17.32 inches to 22.4 inches, you can easily tailor the stool to your preferred level of comfort and convenience. Whether you're working at a kitchen counter or getting inked at a tattoo parlor, this stool has you covered. Speaking of convenience, let's not forget about the 360-degree swivel caster and 5-star foot chassis. Not only does this ensure structural stability, but it also allows for effortless maneuverability without damaging your floors. Plus, assembly is a breeze, making it suitable for various environments with its strong bearing capacity. Crafted with durable metal frame and thickened PU leather, this stool is not only built to last but also easy to maintain. The spacious seat surface is both waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring longevity even in the most demanding of settings. And the versatility? Oh, it's endless. From home chairs to office tools, tool benches to beauty stools, this JOSTZHXIN creation is a jack of all trades. Whether you're working, studying, or simply kicking back with a drink, this stool has got your back. In summary, if you're on the hunt for a comfortable, adjustable, and versatile seating solution, look no further than the JOSTZHXIN Modern Rolling Stool. It's time to elevate your seating game to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.